Hi guys, it's Milita Yavanka and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the family. In today's video, we're going to create this summer ready fresh look that I absolutely love, and we're going to team up with L'Oreal to make it super affordable. I truly think that this is one of my all-time favorite palettes I'm about to use here. We're also going to use the new Paradise Enchanted blushes, which are the cutest ever. These products are still so affordable and the quality is honestly a new level. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Milita squad. We are such a cool family, I keep saying that. And also don't forget to like and comment this video if you really love this look so I can make more of those. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So I already have my foundation and contour and concealer on, but we're going to do together the eyeshadow, blush, bronzer, highlight, all the best part. So the first thing I'm going to do is to apply a little bit of liquid highlight. I'm going to apply the Glow Amour. These are drops of heaven. So I am simply going to apply a small amount because this is intense, and blend with my finger. Look at this glow. Don't forget to apply on the nose and just keep blending. We already look so much better. Now on top of that, we're going to use the bronzed bronzer, and we're going to apply just a little bit to make it look like I have 10 pounds less, okay? And next it's going to be the blush, and oh my god, this smells like an actual peach, which is so cute. They have a lot of shades, and here today I have 4 of them. All of these are perfect for my skin tone. They have a lot of colors for a lot of skin tones, which is always amazing with L'Oreal. And the one I'm going to use today is this one right here. This is the shade Fantastical, of course. So I'm taking a little brush and I'm going to apply it all over here. I like applying it kind of high and bringing the product over here for a really like fresh sun-kissed look, I would say, because when you are on the sun a lot, you don't immediately get super bronzy, okay? Usually we have a little bit of that peachy color on the cheeks, and that's so cute. A little bit on the nose. I love it. Another thing that I love to do, but we're not going to do that today, we're going for a more elaborated look, but usually when I am on the go, I like to really take my time for my skin, but then for the eyes, I would just take the same shade I apply on my cheek and apply it all over my eyelid. It's going to give such a pretty look. It looks so fresh and cute, and it's really quick to do, and everyone thinks you took your time and you actually didn't. So now we're going to do the eyes, and we are going to use the Paradise Enchanted palette. And you guys, this is my all-time favorite drugstore palette for the eyes. I think that this is like the palette. I really need to take just a few seconds and show you a few swatches of my favorite shades. First, I'm going to swatch my favorite shade, which is the shade number 6. Perfect bronzy color. Look at this. Next we have shade number 3, which is a champagne kind of shade. Next, the shade number 7, perfect peach color. And finally we have the creamiest golden shade right here. Now let's get to work and let's create a summer ready look. And we're going to start with this beautiful neutral shade right here that we're going to apply all over the eyelid as a kind of base. Next, we're going to use this shade right here with a more precise brush, and we're going to use it to define the crease. Next, we're going to use this shade right here, which is a kind of milk chocolate shade. Now we're going to use this shade right here, which is a rich brown color. We are still using the same exact brush. Now I'm going to take a really small precision brush and our little concealer. This is the True Match one, and we are going to cut a crease. Now using that same brush, we're going to take the shade number 3, that beautiful champagne shade, and we're going to apply to the same place we just applied the concealer. Now we're going to apply some black eyeliner, and I'm going to use the new Lash Paradise one. Now that we are done with the eyeliner, we are going to apply some mascara. No need for falsies today because we are going to use the Paradise mascara. And you guys, they came out with a base for that mascara, which is insane. I need to show you. I'm going to apply it on one side so you can see the difference. So this is what the base looks like. Here is the brush and let's apply some. Here we go. Now we're going to apply the Lash Paradise in black. And this is how it looks with two coats. And I really hope that you can see the difference because in my mirror, it looks insane. I'm going to apply that on the other side and I'll be back in a second. Now that we're done with the mascara, we're going to go back to the palette and use these two shades for underneath. We're also going to take this shade right here and we're going to apply that in the inner corner. For my lips, I wanted to match my top, so I'm going to use the Color Rich Shine in the shade Luminous Coral, and we are going to apply that really more in the middle of the lip for a kind of really juicy effect. And here's our final look. It's super fresh and I absolutely adore this new collection, and I hope you're going to enjoy it as well, and I will see you in my next video.